Alright, today we're going to be talking about the dual nature of electrons. It's going to be a really short slide, so not too long, so just take in for it. Alright, let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about the dual nature of electrons, and if you're new to this channel, I like taking notes, and I also like different science topics in general, but particularly chemistry. And so I'm going to be kind of refining chemistry topics into a way that is easier to understand. And so I provide a free note-taking sheet in each slide, and I had a bit trouble with this note-taking sheet, pasting it into a separate slide, so you'll find it here. And if it's still hard to get here, just comment and I can send it personally to you. But yeah, other than that, let's just get into this dual nature of electrons. So electrons only occupy certain distances, but Louis de Broglie found a solution to this. He proposed a dual nature of electrons, in that electrons behave as waves and particles, and since it also behaves like a wave, it has a wavelength, right? And this equation that we're going to be using throughout this unit is going to be lambda, aka wavelength, is equal to h, or Planck's constant, divided by mass in kilograms times velocity. And do note two things: that h is Planck's constant. Know that the amount. It's 6.26 times 10 to the negative 34 joules times seconds. And what's also useful to know is joules breakdown. So you can break joules into kilograms times m squared divided by s squared, and this will be particularly helpful when we're trying to take like mass from the denominator and kind of cross it off with a mass from the numerator instead of crossing it off with joules, and it'll be just confusing if you do it like that. So knowing that 1 joule is equal to kilograms times m squared divided by s squared is helpful in unit and crossing off. Okay, yeah, that's all, just the basics for this slide or module. I'm going to have a question coming out regarding this topic, and I'll also provide an explanation for it. You'll see that video either later today or tomorrow. And if you still have questions regarding this topic, don't mind to email me. And also subscribe and follow. I have an Instagram page dedicated to note taking, biology, physics, of course, chemistry. And so yeah, you want to check it out, my other notes that I take. But yeah, that's it for this video, and yeah, stay safe. Peace.